This is Thursday the 24th. Welcome to Schoology. Today what I need you to be focusing on is there is another FOIL assignment. I made it pretty quick, and I did this for two reasons. Number one, if you've already mastered it, you're in a good spot. There's no school tomorrow, so you're about to get kind of a break, and I just want to make sure that, it's a nice, quick little, do the FOIL, move on, okay? On the other side, if this is something you're really not getting and really struggling, you probably need more practice. And this is really important because we're about to move into some factoring. And once we get to factoring, being able to FOIL, factoring is very much unfoiling and going the opposite. So I think that the more you understand foiling and the better you are at foiling, the easier factoring will be when we get there. I also don't want to start dividing until next week because I don't want to start dividing, have a long break, and then kind of hope that you remembered it because dividing will be a little bit complicated. So there is another FOIL review. Use today to make sure that you are getting caught up. There was an assessment this week. If you have not taken it, make sure that you're getting on that. Otherwise, it's, I think, only 6 questions, so super doable. Make sure that you're staying on top of things because we're moving into more complicated stuff next week. If you need help, I'll be in my meet all day, just like I am every day. And I'll see you in class.